Hi, today is Friday, January 8th. I have a pretty significant announcement first, and then I will go ahead and walk you through the essay that we are starting. So, um, Starting January 18th, so right after our long weekend of Martin Luther King Day, I will no longer be your teacher. I am being moved to sixth grade math. So I'll be in room 113. I'll still be in the building and you can still come say hello and I'll still pop in and say hello to all of you. Um, Due to some unforeseen circumstances, I'm needed over there and in the current situation, I'm the only person who can take that position. So I hope that you will understand and I am so sorry to be leaving you in the middle of the year. I'm going to miss everyone so much. I have loved working with all of you. All of my classes are so much fun, and I hope that you will still enjoy your new teacher. It will be Miss Jackson. She has been in the district this year as a core sub over in the high school, so she has been in the high school all year so far. So she's familiar with Polaris and she's familiar with how Jackson works. So um, it won't be too difficult of a transition, and my Polaris should remain fairly similar to what it is right now. She will be in on Tuesday the 12th. Yes, she'll be in on Tuesday the 12th to be with me to see how I do things and to learn my classroom. So, if you are someone who comes to school, you will meet her then. If you're someone who comes every once in a while, maybe you want to pop in on Tuesday just so you can meet her. It's an option. And if you're an e-learner, not a whole lot's going to change for you. It'll stay pretty much the same. The only difference is you will need to make sure that you email her your questions and not me. She'll be sure to give you her email so that you know who you're contacting. Um, so aside from that, I'll go ahead and walk you through what we're doing. I know that was probably a shocking announcement, and I do apologize. This was the earliest I was allowed to tell you, so here we go. All right, so for our week, yesterday we started with our introduction. Today you are going to be continuing working on your essay and you'll be working on the body paragraphs. If you got to the body paragraphs yesterday, that's fantastic. If you didn't, it's really okay because you have all of today to work on those as well. So for today, there is a perfect paragraph review. This is going to look familiar because we've gone through it before, but it's important to remember. So you'll click where it says click here to open up the how to write a perfect paragraph slides. Now you'll work through it. There is a video tutorial, which I highly recommend just using this. That way, I'm pretty sure it is Ms. Tan who walks you through it. That way you can get every bit of the knowledge that she has for you. So go through this, kind of relearn how to write a perfect paragraph, and then hopefully you will be ready to move on to task 2, which is body paragraphs. So you're going to make sure that you open your transition theme essay from Polaris. So you want to make sure that you go into the fiction folder, then into the Christmas Carol folder, and then you'll find the essay folder. It's blue. There's only one thing in there, and that's your graphic organizer. Make sure that your introduction is complete, and then if you did not complete body paragraph 1, that's what you'll do now. Make sure that you review the essay prompt at the top to make sure you know exactly what question you're answering. Or in other words, review your thesis statement so that you know what your target topic is. And then scroll down to, if you haven't done body paragraph 1, or scroll down to body paragraphs 2 or 3. Follow the directions on the table to write your second body paragraph. You want to use the colorful boxes to structure your writing, and remember that the focus of body paragraph 2 is to show and explain the character interactions that have influenced Scrooge's transformation in the story. So you want to make sure that the quotes you're using and everything that you're talking about in that paragraph is character interaction. So it should be Scrooge interacting with someone. I would highly recommend the interactions with Marley or the other 3 ghosts. Those are some really, really significant interactions, and those interactions themselves are really what drives Scrooge to make his change, because they show him so much. So that's just my quick tip that might be helpful to you. All right, so that's what you are working on today. In case you don't know where the organizer is, fiction folder, Christmas Carol folder, and then it's in this ACC transformation theme essay. You'll click on that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, tired. You will click on this and it will take you to your graphic organizer. Or if you are on the front of Polaris, you may notice that it is also right here, ACC Transformation Theme Essay. So you can click on that. If you didn't finish the Finding Best Evidence checkpoint from yesterday, please make sure that you do that, because that is right here. All right, and that is it for today. It's pretty much a work day if you're in class, and if you're at home, obviously it's going to be a work day for you as well. So let me know if you have any questions about anything with this assignment, or if you have any questions about my switch. So again, I will be here all of next week, but after that, I will be in room 113, and you will have Miss Jackson. Okay? All right, have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday.